welcome back to our channel. I am Shreya Dev. I am an optometry student. So today I am going to discuss about eye donation, what is eye donation, how one can donate eyes, who can donate eyes, the myth about donate eyes, and many more on this topic. So let's start. So now we are going to discuss about what is eye donation. What we generally mean by eye donation. Eye donation is an art of donating one's eye after his or her death. It is totally voluntary. Only the cornea blinds are benefited, not the other blinds. The people who generally donate eyes can enable 2% to accurate their vision, and it is an art of purity and charity. One can benefit for the society. So this was all about what is eye donation. So now we're going to discuss who can donate eyes. Donors can be of any age group or sex, but the people or the eye donor who uses spectacles or having asthma, high blood pressure, diabetes generally can't donate eyes. So this was all about who can donate eyes. Now we are going to discuss how can one donate eyes. So the most important action a person can take for donating is that they can tell his or her family and legal representative. Now most of the state require that the offer of donation to be given for the family after the loved one dies. The person may give consent to their for their donation, and it would be helpful that the person would know in advance that they are donating eyes. A donor card can serve as an indication to the family and legal representative, and the hospital can generally pass their eye donor card. Now we are going to discuss about when and how does the donation takes place. So the donation takes place soon after the death, ensuring that the tissue is in the best possible condition for the transplant. The cornea is generally transplanted within the 4 days after the donation, and depending upon the best method for the cornea preservation. So this was all about how the donation takes place. Now we will discuss about will the donor has to pay or receive any fees after donation. The donor generally does not receive any fees, or does not have to give any fees, because donating any organ is all voluntary, and if somebody take charges any fees against this is generally illegal, and it is a criminal offense. So now we are going to discuss about the myths of about the eye donation people have. So the myth people have about generally have about eye donation is if I donate eyes, it will leave hole in the eye socket, causing this face disfigurement. The fact against this is the donation does not leave any holes in the eye socket, because only the cornea is removed during the eye donation. So the next myth people have generally is if I donate eyes, when after I die, I will be blind by birth in the next life. So the fact against this is gifting someone light is totally a divine gesture, and a person with lot of redness in heart can only do, and this is a total steamed out ignorance and a complete misconception. The another myth people have, so, if I have a previous history of cataract, so I can't donate eyes. The fact that is this is you can even donate eyes after having a history of cataract, just provided that you have to be treated or operated for cataract. So the next myth people generally have, so aged people cannot donate eyes. The fact that is this is you can donate eyes irrespective of any age, and there is no upper age limit. So the next myth people generally have think that donating eyes or becoming an eye donor is against their religion, but religious honor those who make selfless sacrifice, and eye donation is an noble divine deed, and all the faiths support this cause. And the next myth people generally think that if I donate my eyes, it will be sold to the person who need for transplant. But the fact is that selling or buying any kind of organ is an criminal and illegal offense, and eye donation is a noble cause. So the next myth people generally have said that I want to pledge my eyes, but they think about that how their family or friends will react against this. The fact is that informing your friends or family that you have pledged to donate your eyes is obviously make them emotional, but as they love you, but uh, in turn you are doing a good thing, and you're enabling a person to see this beautiful world. So this was all about myths and facts about eye donation. Now we will discuss that if somebody wishes to donate eyes, where they can go for that. Registering yourself as a donor, you can visit your nearest eye bank or any NGO who generally work with this eye donation, or you can visit the site of Donor India or Mohan Foundation or Eye Bank Association of India. Once you enroll as a eye donor, you will be provided a donor card by the eye banks. So this was for all for today. I hope you like this video. So please to like, share and subscribe our channel, and if you have any queries you can email us. And thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned.